Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, Sugar Pop just have launched their first ever eyeshadow palette, and here in a single palette you're gonna get total 9 different shades. And guys, the shades are kind of neutral shades, and here you're gonna get some matte eyeshadows, some shimmery shadows, and some metallic shades too. And the name of the palette is warm neutral, so the name says it all. And today I'm going to talk about the details of this eyeshadow palette, and also gonna show you this eye makeup tutorial. Although I'm not that much pro doing my eye makeup, but today I did my eye makeup using this palette, so I want to show you this tutorial. So yes, let's start the video. But if you are watching me for the first time, then make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is the Sugar Pop 9-in-1 eyeshadow palette, where you're gonna get 9 shades in a single palette. It retails for $4.99, and that is how the packaging looks like. Here they have mentioned all the shade names in a single plastic sheet, so if you want you can keep that plastic sheet. And guys, here I'm swatching all the shades for your reference. So guys, now I'm going to show you this easy eye makeup. So at first I'm going to apply this cocoa butter shade all over on my eyelid. Then I'm applying the toasted almond on the outer corner. Then I'm applying the champagne sparkle on my eyelid using my finger. Then I'm taking this mauve glaze shade in a flat brush and trying to create an eyeliner effect. Then I'm applying the champagne sparkle on my inner corner just to highlight my inner corner. And after applying my kajal, I'm applying the toasted almond shade all over on my lower lash line as well. And yes, it's done. It is that much easy, guys. And this is the close-up for you guys. And I took this close-up without eyelashes because I know, like me, there are many of you guys don't like to wear eyelashes, so this close-up is for you guys. So guys, I hope you like this eyeshadow tutorial. Now let me talk a little bit about this eyeshadow palette. So here for 499 rupees you're gonna get total 9 different shades, and these are neutral shades, so you can create some party makeup look as well as day fresh eye makeup look as well. And guys, if we talk about the pigmentation, well guys, these are decently pigmented. You can build up the coverage, but these are not that kind of supremely pigmented. And here I'm not facing that kind of fallout problem and all. And guys, company says that this palette is a mixture of matte, metallic and shimmer shades. Well guys, here you're gonna get some matte shades and shimmer shades, and that's true. For the metallic shades, maybe they want to mention the copper fusion, this one, this one, this one, and this champagne sparkle. But guys, I think these are not exactly metallic shades. These are kind of shimmer shades. I don't think these are metallic shades. I can't consider them as metallic shade. In fact, I am champagne sparkle for this tutorial, but no, I don't think this is metallic shade. And yes, this is it about this eyeshadow palette. Overall, I'll give it 7 out of 10. And yes, one thing I forgot to mention, that as of now this is only available on Sugar Pop website. And yeah, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.